going to finish the hair using the SEALIGHT Serum. This is a multi-purpose lightweight serum spray that adds volume to fine hair. When you are spraying and working with this product, it's important to avoid the root area. We don't want to contradict the volume spray we've used on the root, flattening the hair, so we concentrate the spray around the mid-lengths and ends. This is going to prevent frizz, improve the hair's elasticity, and give softness and shine. What do you think?
My hair has never had this much volume.
Yeah, it's great.
Amazing.
You can see all the lift at the root, like all the way through, and when you kind of push it as well, you'll be able to lift the hair through the day, and it will see the volume and continually kind of lift itself up.